Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math, question number 65. An art teacher had a wooden block, 一个木头块 of size 15 cm by 14 cm by 13 cm. After he cut out a cube, the remaining volume of the wooden block was 2,605 cubic centimeters. 这里写在换行了啊 ，OK 啊，有一个 cut out the cube， 有一个 cube 被切下来了。问 What was the size of the cube that he cut out？ 我们先来找一找 volume of the block， 这个木头块大概它的体积是多少 ？15 times 14 times 13。计算器 calculator for 15 times 14 times 13 2730 2730 cubic centimeters and volume of the cube 我们要从怎么样我们要从总的 the total volume minus the remaining volume of the wooden block minus the remaining volume of the wooden block 125 cubic centimeters。这时候我们要知道叫做 perfect cubes， 叫做完全立方数 perfect cubes。125 cubic centimeters equals 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters equals 5 centimeters to the power of 3， 这就是我们的 cube number。所以说最后你会知道 ，so the length of side of the cube is 5 centimeters. This is the answer to the question. I hope you guys will understand my solution. And that is all. This is Teacher J. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.